everyone. This is Judy coming to you from my scrapbook loft. And I am here to do a review for the Monvict hot glue gun S808. And you all, they had emailed me once before. I know you all, if you attended my live, not this week, but last week, you know, they had contacted me and I emailed them back and told them that I did not use a glue gun. Very, very seldom do I use a glue gun. But they emailed me back and asked me to do this review. So, here I am to do this review for this Monvict glue gun. And I've used it already to get used to it, to know what I was doing, because I'm not used to glue guns. And you all, I like it. I really do. I will probably use it more. It seems to get hotter than the glue guns that I've used in the past. And then when you put your paper and stuff on, it doesn't leave those humps in it. And yeah, so I'm going to do a review on this. I'm going to first start with how it comes boxed. It comes boxed in a box like this. Nice box. You can reuse it. I can see an alteration in the future. Comes with a nice little manual. Comes with 10 glitter glue sticks, colored glitter glue sticks. Comes with 10 of those. Get my hands in here. And then it comes with 20 long glue sticks. Comes with 20 of those. And it comes with an extra little stand. And it goes here. Right here, if you don't want to use this stand. Now let's talk about this stand, because I love this stand. The glue guns I've had in the past, they, the stands, they either didn't have a stand, they didn't come with one, or the stand wouldn't stand up. So, and like I said, I didn't use them because I didn't like them. But I do like this one, and I will probably use this one more. It has an on and off switch here. It has a light to show you that it is on. And it handles. It's got a real nice feel to the handle. I like that. And then the stand, it comes with suction cups, so you can suction it down to your surface and it doesn't move. And then it comes with this stand here that clips into the bottom stand and holds your glue gun, and you can pull it in and out. And then it's got the drip tray. And this is like silicone. And I'm going to show you how I do that. Just push it down and insert it. And you've got a nice stand for your glue gun to work on. Now what I'm going to do on this review is I'm going to make a memory dex. And I've already traced out my papers. I don't know if you all can remember or not, but Diane, Crafting with Fury, and I got together the weekend before Easter. And she had some dies, her memory dex dies with her, and she let me use them to cut me out some for templates. But I'm going to cover it, that's what I'm doing. So I traced my memory dex onto the paper that I want to use, which is, let me put my manual over there, Prima's romance novel that I had gotten from Donna Dreams ×3 sale. Okay, so I'm going to lay this over here, and I'm going to use these Paper Studio flowers and some butterflies from the Dollar Tree, a saying from Tim Holtz's Ideology, and a piece of this ribbon. I'm just going to cut off the heart, and I cut me out a 2-inch scallop circle, 2 1/4 inch scallop circle with my EK Success punch. I'm going to use that. Here's my phrase. Okay, and I'm going to use some eyelash trim, rose gold. So let's put this baby together. And I sanded this because this was slick, so I took my sander. It's a Tim Holtz Ideology sander, and I sanded the glossy off of it. And now we're going to push that down. I don't trust it. Well, yeah, there we go. It's stuck. Okay. I probably should have put it on the desk itself and not on my... This thing gets pretty hot, you all, so... What I like about this glue gun is it gets hot enough, gets that glue hot enough that it doesn't leave those humps under my paper. I'll trim around this. Probably should have used my Martha Stewart fussy cutting scissors. I just don't like to get glue on them. Then I've got to get my little cutting mat out of here if I can find it again. How about I didn't put it back where it goes? And get my handy dandy X-Acto knife. There's that. Isn't that paper pretty? Okay, now you all, I already fussy cut out my, well, it won't stick to this thing here, so let's take it off, put it on the desk. I know it'll stick there. I wanted you all to, there, see how easy that stuck to that desk? Yeah. These little curlicues are hard to cut out. I'm going to have to order me some memory dex dies. Some more. Because I ain't done it so good on this tracing bit. Cutting it out. There we go. There we go. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. There we go. And now let's cut out the notches out of this one. Well, I forgot to get the punch I was going to use. Yep. I tried to get prepared for this, y'all. Get all my stuff together and have it prepped, but I forgot my punch. There we go. Oh, I'll have to clean up a mess when I'm done. You all make a mess when you craft. I surely do. And we'll sand this just a little bit. There we go. There we go. All right, now I'm going to put a pocket on the back of it for my information. And let's see, I think I may have to trim that down just a little bit. And I do about 1/8 of an inch. those corners with the crocodile corner jumper. I'm going to use the 1/4 inch side. There we go. That glue gun, I like this glue gun, you all. I really do. I sure was skeptical because I'm not very good with glue guns. That one did. This one was done really good. And it goes in and out real easy and nice. Yes, it does. Goes in and out of the stand real good. And this is a piece where I had made shakers out of this paper pad for Donna, and this was the center of one of the shakers. And I'm going to put my information on the back of it and put it in the pocket. Okay, now let's do our front. I'm going to use this rose gold eyelash trim. Needs to be a little bit more. Yep, there we go. There we go. I like that. I like that. Now I'm going to cut my heart off of my ribbon. I like that stand. Yes, I do. And put it on just like that. Glue on my finger. And then get me some flowers. Just 3 of these pretty flowers here. Let's get one of these faded ones. Yep. I do like that. And let's get a butterfly out of here. It's got blue on it. I don't want any blue. Don't want any. Here we go. No. Here we are. Ain't no blue in that paper. I'll put that there. And I'm going to put this here. And I need just a little bit of a small pop dot. side right there. My pop dots are old, you all, so I don't trust them to stay glued because it just doesn't feel right. And I just needed one. Yeah, just needed one. I think I like that glue gun. I believe I'm going to be using a glue gun more often. There y'all go. And there's my Monvict glue gun. Yep, I think I'm going to be using a glue gun more often. I like this. I like this glue gun. I love this stand, especially. I really love this stand. I do like the glue gun, you all. And if I didn't, I would tell you, because like I said, I've used glue guns in the past. I did not like them, but I do like this glue gun. So, it's on Amazon, and it's the Monvict glue gun, Monvict hot glue gun S-808. Probably you could scan that code and go to it. Thank you, Aiden, for contacting me about the glue gun. I like it, and I am going to be using it. Thank you. And I want to thank you all for watching. Hugs to you from me, and God bless.